Hello everybody, I am glad you have joined me for yet another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, MWARI. In our previous lesson, we had a look at the animals and we gave them their respective Kikuyu names. I hope you are practicing. In our lesson today, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves in Kikuyu. Welcome aboard. Introduction in Kikuyu is kûmenyithania. Kûmenyithania. When you are introducing yourself, then we are going to say you are kwimenyithania haku kĩũmbe. Kwimenyithania haku kĩũmbe. And in a very general setting, you are going to start with, of course, your name, where you are going to say niĩ njĩtagwo. Niĩ njĩtagwo, and I am from nyumĩte. If you want to mention about the place you work, then you will say ndutaga wĩra kũndũ gwĩtagwo. Ndutaga wĩra kũndũ gwĩtagwo. And if you want to mention your position in this particular work, then you will say data. Data. If you work as a manager, then you will say data munene. Data munene. If you are there as a leader, then you will say data mũtongoria. Data mũtongoria. If you are a government representative, then you will say ta thirikari. Ta thirikari. If you are in sales, then ta mwendia. Ta mwendia. If you work in the public office, then you are ta obithaa wa maũndũ ma mũingĩ. Ta obithaa wa maũndũ ma mũingĩ. If you want to tell about the time or the day you arrived in this particular place, then you will say ndakinya. Ndakinya. If it's today, you will say ũmũthĩ. Ũmũthĩ. If it was not so long ago, then you will say kahinda gatarĩ kũraihu. Kahinda gatarĩ kũraihu. If you have just arrived, then it is oro rĩu. Oro rĩu. And going ahead to ask or to tell the reason why you are in this particular place, then you'll say ndĩrenda. Ndĩrenda. If you want to be told something, then you will say ndĩrenda ũnjĩre. Ndĩrenda ũnjĩre. If you are talking to one person, and if you are talking to two or more people, then you will say ndĩrenda mũnjĩre. Ndĩrenda mũnjĩre. If you want to know something, then you will say ndĩrenda kũmenya. Ndĩrenda kũmenya. If it is help that you need, then you will say ndĩrenda ũteithio. Ndĩrenda ũteithio. If you need to be directed, then you will say ũnjĩrĩre. Ũnjĩrĩre to one person, and mũnjĩrĩre if you are talking to two or more people. Mũnjĩrĩre. If you want to be taken somewhere, then you say ũndware. Ũndware if it's one person, and mũndware if it is to two or more people. Mũndware. And if you happen to be selling something, then you will say ndĩrenda kwendia. Ndĩrenda kwendia. And if you need to be shown something, then you will say ũnyonie. Ũnyonie if it's to one person, and mũnyonie if it's to two or more people. Mũnyonie. And if you want to make something known, then you will say, Ndirenda kûmenyithania. Ndirenda kûmenyithania. If you are grateful that you are listened to, then you will say, Nĩndakena mũno. Nĩndakena mũno. And if you are introducing yourself in a different setting as tourist, then we say, tourism nĩ gũcera. Gũcera. And obviously, again, you start with your name, which is niĩ njĩtagwo. Niĩ njĩtagwo. From so and so country, if you are an international tourist, you will say kuma bũrũri wĩtagwo. Kuma bũrũri wĩtagwo. And nyumĩte kũndũ gwĩtagwo. Nyumĩte kũndũ gwĩtagwo if you are a domestic tourist. If you want to tell about the date you arrived, then you will say ndakinyire gũkũ mweri. Ndakinyire gũkũ mweri. And if you want to tell about the reason for coming, you will say njũkĩte nĩ ũndũ wa. Njũkĩte nĩ ũndũ wa. If it's to learn to speak Kikuyu, then you will say ndĩrenda kwĩruta kwaria Gĩkũyũ. Ndĩrenda kwĩruta kwaria Gĩkũyũ. If you are visiting as a volunteer, then you will say wĩra wa kwĩrutĩra. Wĩra wa kwĩrutĩra. If it's for sightseeing, then it's kwĩrorera matũũra. Kwĩrorera matũũra. If you are there to preach, then it is kũhunjia. Kũhunjia. To teach is gũthomithia. Gũthomithia. Or you could just be passing by, which is kũhĩtũkĩra. Kũhĩtũkĩra. If you are visiting alone, then you will say ndĩracera ndĩ wika. Ndĩracera ndĩ wika. If you are visiting as a group, then you will say tũracera twĩ ta gĩkundi. Tũracera twĩ ta gĩkundi. You might want to know if there is a place of interest in this area, then you will ask, he handũ hega tũngĩcera. He handũ hega tũngĩcera. If you want to know about the nearest restaurant, then you will ask, mũkawa ũrĩa wĩ hakuhĩ wĩ ha. Mũkawa ũrĩa wĩ hakuhĩ wĩ ha. If you want to ask about the nearest hospital, then you ask, thibitarĩ ĩrĩa ĩ hakuhĩ ĩ ha. Thibitarĩ ĩrĩa ĩ hakuhĩ ĩ ha. And if it's the nearest market, then you ask, ndũnyũ ĩrĩa ĩ hakuhĩ ĩ ha. Ndũnyũ ĩrĩa ĩ hakuhĩ ĩ ha. And if it's the nearest police station, then you ask, borithi ĩrĩa ĩ hakuhĩ ĩ ha. Borithi ĩrĩa ĩ hakuhĩ ĩ ha. Supposedly there is a communication breakdown and you need a translator, then you will say ndĩrenda mũtaũri. Ndĩrenda mũtaũri. And if you are glad for receiving a particular help, then you will say nĩ thengio nĩ ũteithio waku. Nĩ thengio nĩ ũteithio waku. Now let's assume you are in a social gathering, which we are going to call mũcemanio wa ũrata. Mũcemanio wa ũrata. Well, how about starting with a simple hello? Muriega. Muriega. Then you'll go to tell your name, and here you'll say nie or hakwa jitagwo. Nie or hakwa jitagwo. Sometimes you'll even hear nie hakwa jitagwo. I am dash years old. Dena miaka. Dena miaka. And for some reason, if you don't want to tell your exact age, then you might go, I am over negeretie miaka. Negeretie miaka. I am almost guhereirie miaka. Guhereirie miaka. I'm around dena tamiaka. Dena tamiaka. I am from Nyumete. Nyumete. I live Jikaraga. Jikaraga. I was born at a place called Jiareirwo Hado Hetagwo. Jiareirwo Hado Hetagwo. We are a family of dash people. Gwito tore ado. Gwito tore ado. My birthday is on Ndaciarirwo muthenya. Ndaciarirwo muthenya. I live with Jikaragana. Jikaragana. So if you live with your family, you'll say Jikaraga na family yakwa. Jikaraga na family yakwa. If you live with friends, then you will say Jikaraga narata. Jikaraga narata. If you live all by yourself, then you will say Jikaraga denyika. Jikaraga denyika. If you want to be generous with your phone number, then you will say namba yakwa ya thimu ni. Namba yakwa ya thimu ni. To carry on with this conversation, then you will continue to say what you like and probably dislike. But your likes is nenyedete. Nenyedete. If you like to watch football, then you will say nenyedete kwirorera mufira. Nenyedete kwirorera mufira. If you like to play football, then you will say nenyedete guthaka mufira. Nenyedete guthaka mufira. Movies, nenyedete thinema. Nenyedete thinema. To travel, nenyedete gusera. Nenyedete gusera. To cook, nenyedete koruga. Nenyedete koruga. To sing, nenyedete kuina. Nenyedete kuina. To draw, nenyedete gusora. Nenyedete gusora. To run, nenyedete gutengera. Nenyedete gutengera. To paint, nenyedete kugemia na rangi. Nenyedete kugemia na rangi. Listening to music, nenyedete guthikiriria nyimbo. Nenyedete guthikiriria nyimbo. Embroidery, nenyedete kugemia na uthi. Nenyedete kugemia na uthi. Cycling, nenyedete gutwarithia maithikiri. Nĩ nyendete gũtwarithia maithikiri. Swimming, nĩ nyendete gũthambĩra. Nĩ nyendete gũthambĩra. If you want to tell about your marital status, then you will say, I am married. Ndĩ mũhiku. If you are a woman, ndĩ mũhiku. And nĩ hikanĩtie. If you are a man, nĩ hikanĩtie. If you are single, then you will say, ndirĩ mũhiku. If you are a woman, ndirĩ mũhiku. And if you are a man, then you will say, ndihikanĩtie. Ndihikanĩtie. If you happen to be divorced, then you will say, nĩ ndiganĩte na mũtumia wakwa. If you are a man, nĩ ndiganĩte na mũtumia wakwa. And if you are a woman, nĩ ndiganĩte na mũthuri wakwa. Nĩ ndiganĩte na mũthuri wakwa. If you have children, then you will say, nĩ ndĩ ciana. Nĩ ndĩ ciana. And if you don't, then you will say, ndirĩ ciana. Ndirĩ ciana. If for some reason you want to explain why you are learning Kikuyu, then you will say, ndĩreruta kwaria gĩkũyũ nĩ tondũ. Ndĩreruta kwaria gĩkũyũ nĩ tondũ. If it's for business, then you will say, nĩ ũndũ wa kũhũra biacara. Nĩ ũndũ wa kũhũra biacara. If it's because of marriage, then you will say, nĩ ũndũ wa kĩhiko gĩakwa. Nĩ ũndũ wa kĩhiko gĩakwa. If you want to be communicating with your friends, then you will say, nĩgetha njaragie na arata akwa. Nĩgetha njaragie na arata akwa. If it's because of your in-laws, then you will say, nĩ ũndũ wa athoni akwa. Nĩ ũndũ wa athoni akwa. On that note, my dear listener, we have come to the end of our lesson for now. My sincere hope that after listening, you will be able to introduce yourself with much ease. I am glad you will join me next as we learn Kikuyu, and this time round, we are going to focus on the things to find in our household. From me, it's goodbye.